Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard combines a digital cluster and touchscreen with storage, wireless charging, and driver assist alerts for a convenient, connected experience. The instrument cluster displays key driving information such as speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and warning indicators. An LCD display shows essential vehicle info like speed, fuel, and warnings clearly. The gear system lets the driver control transmission modes for smooth, efficient, and safe driving. The climate control system regulates the cabin temperature and airflow, keeping the interior comfortable for all passengers. The steering wheel controls the vehicle's direction and may include buttons for audio and cruise functions. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator. Seatbelt warning light. Airbag warning light. Parking brake warning light. Anti-lock brake system. Motor-driven power steering. Charging system warning. Engine oil pressure warning, low fuel level warning, master warning light, electronic parking brake, low tire pressure, forward safety warning, speed limiter indicator, lane safety indicator, inattentive driving warning, auto hold indicator. Intelligent speed limit, lane following assist indicator, electronic stability control off electronic stability control, turn signal indicator, immobilizer indicator, light on indicator, high beam indicator, malfunction indicator, high beam assist indicator, LED headlight warning, 4x4 warning light, emergency steering warning, door open indicator, icy road warning light, downhill brake control, exhaust system warning, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.